From this video, we shall learn the procedure of solving system of linear equation by using Gauss elimination method. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, share this video link with your friends, gain the knowledge and rule the world. Gauss elimination method to solve a system of linear equation procedure is: consider a linear equation of three unknown variables a11x1 plus a12x2 plus a13x3 equal to b1. Next equation is a21x1 plus a22x2 plus a23x3 equal to b2. Third equation is a31x1 plus a32x2 plus a33x3 equal to b3. Consider this system of equations, that is the system of linear equation. It is having three equations and three unknowns. Unknowns are x1, x2 and x3, and here we have considered three equations. Consider all together as equation 1. This equation 1 can be written in the form of a matrix Ax is equal to b. Equation 1 can be written in a matrix form, that is Ax is equal to b. Then what is A, what is X and what is B? A is the coefficient matrix of a system of linear equation, and it will be A equal to, it is a matrix A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. So it is a coefficient matrix of a given system of linear equation. And what is X? X is the matrix of an unknowns, that is X equal to x1, x2, x3. And what is an B? A B is a matrix of the constant which has been given, that is a b1, b2, b3. So B equal to b1, b2, b3. So this is an A, X and B. The equation 1 can be written in a matrix form as Ax is equal to B, where A is a coefficient matrix of a system of equation, X is the matrix of unknowns, and B is the matrix of a constant. Elimination method aim is reducing the augmented matrix to an upper triangular matrix. Then we have augmented matrix A colon B. So this augmented matrix A colon B will be equal to A11, A12, A13 colon B1, A21, A22, A23 colon B2, A31, A32, A33 colon B3. So it is an augmented matrix which is consisting of coefficient of a system of equation and the constant of a system of equation, that is consisting the matrix elements of A and the matrix elements of B. So in Gauss elimination method, the aim is reduce this augmented matrix to an upper triangular matrix. So upper triangular matrix is this one, it is A11, A12, A13, A22, A23, then A33. It is an upper triangular matrix. That means remaining, that is A21, A31 and A32, this you need to make as 0 by using arrow elimination method. Then we get an upper triangular matrix. So Gauss elimination method is reducing the augmented matrix A colon B to an upper triangular matrix. To make the augmented matrix to an upper triangular matrix, will be following certain steps. Step number 1 is we use element A11 not equal to 0 to make the elements A21 and A31 to become 0 by using row elimination method. This form is as follows. So augmented matrix, its equivalent when we make or apply the first step will be A11, A12, A13 colon B1, 0, A-22, A-23 colon B-2, 0, A-32, A-33 colon B-3. Why? Because we have made the element A21 and A31 to become 0 by using A11 by using row elimination method. So for that purpose A22, A23 and A32, A33, B2 and B3 values will be changed. For that purpose we have denoted with A-22, A-23, A-32, A-33, B-2 and B-3 respectively. Whereas the first row will not be changed because we are using A11 to make A21 and A31 to become 0 by using row elimination method. For that purpose the first row will not be having any changes. That means the first row will not be having any changes, whereas the second and the third row will be having a changes, and the matrix will be in this form after the first step. Second step of an Gauss elimination method is we use element A-22 not equal to 0 to make the element A-32 to become 0 by using row elimination method. This form will be as follows. Augmented matrix equivalent A11, A12, A13 colon B1, 0, A-22, A-23 colon B-2, 0, 0, A-33 colon B-3. And you can observe we have made A-32 to become 0, whereas the first row and the second row will not be having any changes, whereas the third row will be having a changes. For that purpose we have written A-33 as A-33 and B-3 as B-3. It is the form of an augmented matrix after second step. After step 2 we have got the augmented matrix, and that augmented matrix is in this form. Now in step 3 we make the augmented matrix whatever is there. From that augmented matrix we write the system of linear equation in the form A11x1 plus A12x2 plus A13x3 equal to B1. Next, the second row of the augmented matrix, first element is 0, right? That means that 0 multiplied with x1 term will be 0. Therefore the x1 term will be 0. Therefore we won't write that x1 term, the remaining terms will be writing. Therefore the second equation will be A-22x2 plus A-23x3 equal to B-2. Then in the third row, first and the second element are 0. That means the coefficient of x1 and coefficient of x2 are 0. That means a 0 multiplied by x1 will be 0. 0 multiplied by x2 will be 0. Therefore we won't write the first and the second coefficients along with the unknowns x1 and x2. The remaining will be writing. Therefore equation 3 will be A-33 x3 equal to B-3. These are the equations which we have got from the augmented matrix after step 2. Means in the step 3 we have written the augmented matrix, that is an upper triangular augmented matrix to a system of linear equation. From this one, step 4, we get a value of x3 from the above last equation. So last equation is a double dash 3 3 x3 is equal to b double dash 3. So this one, from this particular equation we can write x3 is equal to b double dash 3 divided by a double dash 3 3. Means we get the value of x3 from the last equation, that is a double dash 3 3 x3 is equal to b double dash 3. Therefore x3 is equal to b double dash 3 divided by a double dash 3 3. So from this we get the value of x3. Then step 5, by back substitution method we get the value of x2 and x1. How we get the value of x2 and x1 is by substituting the value of x3 in second equation, we get the value of x2, and now with the value of x2 and x3 substituting in x1 we get the value of x1. Therefore we get the value of x1, x2 and x3. So x1, x2 and x3 are the exact solution of given linear equation by using Gauss elimination method. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, share this video link with your friends, gain the knowledge and rule the world.